Hi guys and welcome to Liam's Tech Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you the Hive version 2 thermostat from British Gas. The first question I'm going to answer, because I always get asked this, is do you need to be a British Gas customer to have one of these? No, you don't. You can use it with any heating supply that you want. The reason that it's labelled as British Gas is because British Gas make the product and they install the product if you opt for the installation. So there is two different price points on this. If you want it with installation, it's £249. If you want it without installation, it's £179. So you can save yourself a little bit of money if you know heating systems or you know someone that could install this for you. I would advise doing some shopping around because you can buy this via Amazon, Currys, Screwfix, all those sort of stores, and you may be able to pick it up a little bit cheaper than what it is directly from British Gas. Saying that, if you're a British Gas customer, it's always worth looking on the reward section of your British Gas account, because like what we done, we looked on there and they had a discount on the product, so you can get a fair chunk amount off. I think we paid about £140 and that was with installation, and we got a free Echo Dot with it as well, so it was worth it. So what can this thermostat do? This thermostat can be controlled through smart devices, so it can be controlled via your smartphone via an app called the Hive app, which I will show you now. So there's many different ways of controlling the Hive thermostat. The most popular one, I'm sure, is the Hive app. First things first, you want to go to the App Store and then you want to search for Hive. And once you find it, it'll be the one in the top left corner, the orange symbol with the white lines. Once you've downloaded it, it will then appear on your home screen. You want to click on the Hive app, and the first things you'll be greeted with is not actually this screen, it will be a login screen. So what you need to do is create an account, the usual details. They want your email address, your name, I think they want the date of birth, and that creates the account for the Hive. To add the device, as you can see at the bottom it says add, just click add, and then there's a code on the back of the receiver which plugs into the Wi-Fi. Just enter that in, and literally within 1 minute I had it set up. As you can see, you've got these circles. The middle circle is heating, so that is obviously the thermostat. The reason for the other circles is because you can set up things such as smart plugs and their smart bulbs, but for this we are focusing on heating, so you want to click on heating. It gives you the temperature in the top left corner, so 17.8 degrees. You can see that it's reached by the top right corner. This middle bit you can scroll up and down to get your temperature, your required temperature. I've just got it set as 10 because I don't necessarily need the heating on at the moment. We generally have it set as manual, but you can turn it completely off, or you can do it as per your schedule. You can also boost the heating, so if you want it to heat up that bit quicker, you press the boost and that can last from an hour to 6 hours. To do your schedule, as you can see at the top, you want to click the middle one, schedule, and you can schedule different temperatures for different days and different times. You can actually have 6 different times within one day, so you can schedule to have the heating on from this hour to this hour, and then if you want to drop it down a notch between another 2 hours or so, you can do that. You can do that 6 times throughout your day. Another way of controlling the thermostat is through a smart home device such as an Amazon Echo or a Google Home. You need to set it up as the skills in either one of the apps, and then to control it you simply need to go, Alexa, turn the heating to 21.
The heat's set to 21.
And then within minutes, the heating sets to 21 via the thermostat. And of course, it can also be controlled manually via the thermostat itself, just by pressing the button and then turning the wheel up and down to change the temperature. So as it is wireless, you can attach it and detach it to things. So you can attach it to the wall, as you can see I've got here. To detach it, there's a little tab on the bottom. You just need to push that tab in, and then it slots off the wall. As you can see, it's just a mounting bracket, but you can also get desk stands for the Hive product. To reattach it, there's a couple of hooks on the back. You just need to hook them over the top, push it in, and there you go, it's attached to the wall. So the thermostat itself isn't actually hardwired in. As you can see, I've just got it on my desk here. It's because it runs off of 4 AA batteries. The batteries will probably need changing once a year according to the engineer. The design is very simple, very slick. The 2 buttons on the top are for the boost functions. So this one actually only controls my heating because we haven't got the hot water function. But if you want to boost your hot water, you just press that button. If you want to boost the heating, you press that button. So what else can this thermostat do? As I mentioned previously in the app video, it can be controlled via motion sensors. It can also do the schedules, different times, different days. The other functions it has is something called holiday mode, and that helps keep the house warm and prevent pipes from freezing. So when you're away on holiday, you can set it to a temperature of say 10 degrees. It will never drop below 10 degrees and always keep it topped up to that temperature to stop your pipes from freezing. It's also got geolocation, and what geolocation is when you are going out the home, it will notify you if you've left your heating on. So it will give you a little notification on your phone to say you've left your heating on, do you want to turn it off? And you can set this location to be literally within meters of your house or miles of your house. You can also set it for if you come into that radius when you're travelling back from somewhere, it will turn the heating on to your desired temperature that you set with it. So as mentioned before as well, you can get this professionally installed or without installation. What's included in the box is the thermostat itself, the receiver and the hub. So the hub connects to your Wi-Fi via Ethernet, and that is the brains behind the project. You do only need one hub for all the different Hive products. So if you wanted the lights or the smart plugs or the motion sensors, they all connect via the one hub, so you don't have to have loads of different hubs for different things, which is quite handy. So I suppose the main question is, would I advise someone else to buy the Hive Thermostat version 2? Personally, I think if you've got a smart home or you're looking at doing the whole smart home thing, then it is an essential part of having it. It is useful, it does have its uses, like when you're out you can turn the heating on, etc. Is it expensive for what it is? I do think they could drop the price a little bit because it doesn't do that much different things to what a normal thermostat would do. It does look nice, it does look sleek, but I think for, especially with the professional installation of £250, it is quite a lot. And the other thing that you do need to think about is if you have a house which has different zones, you will need to buy another thermostat to do a different zone. So I believe they're £99 for the extra multi-zone version. It is just the thermostat and another receiver. So you do have to bring that into the costings if you are looking at doing the whole smart home heating. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that it's taught you a few things. Please like the video if you liked it. If you loved it, then please subscribe to the channel. And as usual, I'll see you in the next one.